Hey there, I'm Jess, and today I have a simple, beginner-friendly sewing tutorial to share with you on how to make a lunch wrap for storing utensils and even a plate. If you're brand new to sewing, welcome to our channel, and if you're already a Sallie Tomato fan, thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoy this project. This pattern is perfect for on the go. You can conveniently have utensils and a placemat stored at all times with you. The lunch wrap pattern only takes one fabric and there are two storage options. Choose to store only utensils or a 6-inch dessert-sized plate and utensils. Keep this handy accessory at your desk, in your bag, or carry along while traveling. You can find the pattern and all your supplies to make this project on our website, sallietomato.com, or you can request them at your local quilt shop. We encourage you to support your local shop and purchase this pattern and the supplies from them. You can find the supplies you need listed on the back of the pattern cover. So, gather your supplies, cut out the pieces that you need, and let's begin. There's only one fabric needed for this pattern, so you'll cut out piece A for the exterior and piece B for the strap closure. Like I mentioned before, you can choose to only store utensils, or you could also store a dessert-sized plate and utensils. So I'm going to make one version for utensils only and another version for the dessert plate and utensils. The first step is to shape the flap corners. Position the template included in the pattern in each top corner of piece A. You'll trace the outer edge of the curve of the template and flip the template when necessary. Then you'll cut along the marked lines to round each top corner. Next, we'll make and attach the strap closure. I've already went ahead and marked the center along the length of piece B strap closure against the wrong side, and use a removable pen or chalk. Then, with wrong sides together, fold each long edge to the center and use basting tape or sewing clips to hold the folds in place. At this point, if you'd like, you can cut one end at an angle or to a point, or a rounded end as desired, but make sure that you don't shorten the length of the strap closure. Then top stitch 3/8 inch from each folded edge. And also an 1/8 inch from the shaped end. Use a rotary punch to cut a hole centered in from the shaped end of the strap closure according to the pattern. Then use a sharp scissors to cut a 1/4 inch long slit away from the shaped end parallel to the length. Next, you'll follow the relevant instructions to attach the strap closure to the exterior depending on the style that you're making. If you're storing only utensils, with right sides up, position the short, straight end of the strap closure in from the right side and up from the bottom with the length parallel to the bottom. Reference the pattern for the measurements. Washi tape works great for holding the strap closure in place because you can't use pins on cork fabric or faux leather, and you wouldn't be able to use sewing clips on this area. Then at the machine, top stitch the end of the strap in place by sewing a rectangle an 1/8 inch from the edges according to the pattern. After sewing, you can remove the washi tape. If storing a dessert-sized plate and utensils, with right sides up, center the short straight end of the strap closure up from the bottom edge with the length parallel to the sides. Again, use some washi tape to hold the strap closure in place. Then top stitch the end of the strap in place by sewing a rectangle an 1/8 inch from the edges according to the pattern. The next step is to install the stud button. You can visit our YouTube channel for a video tutorial on how to install stud buttons. If you're storing only utensils, with right side up, install the stud button centered from the short straight edge of the strap closure according to the pattern. If storing a plate and utensils, with right side up, install the stud button centered up from the bottom edge according to the pattern. Now we're ready to assemble the lunch wrap. With wrong sides together, fold the bottom edge of the lunch wrap up according to the pattern and secure with sewing clips. Top stitch an 1/8 inch from all outer edges, moving the strap when needed. Make sure to back stitch. And the last step is to stitch the dividers for the pockets. If storing only utensils, you'll top stitch 2 vertical lines in from each side edge according to the pattern, starting at the top edge of the pocket and stopping at the bottom edge. If storing a plate and utensils, you'll top stitch a vertical line in from the right side edge, starting at the top edge of the pocket and stopping at the bottom edge. Make sure to back stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned some fun tips along the way while making the lunch wrap. If you have any other questions, add them in the comments below. This pattern was part of our monthly mini pattern club, which starts at only $5 a month. Receive a pattern or even a complete kit to make a mini project each month. This club is great if you're looking for simple, fun, and fast projects. We encourage you to share photos of your completed project using hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag DIY lunch wrap on social media. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll check out the rest of our pattern line for more professional looking projects. See you next time!